Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Agri Exam. Welcome to our 50 MCQ agricultural series where we will practice 50 important agriculture related multiple choice questions along with their correct answers and simple scientific explanation. These questions will be useful for agricultural students as well as for the aspirants, those who are preparing for various competitive and entrance examination. So stay with me until the end, test your knowledge and let's see how many questions you can answer correctly. Let's get started. Question number first is the headquarter of Food and Agricultural Organization. It is located at. The correct answer is option A, that is Rome. So, the Food and Agricultural Organization, it is a specialized agency of the United Nations that leads international efforts to defeat hunger. And their main aim or main goal is to achieve food security for all and make sure that people have regular access to enough high quality food to lead active as well as the healthy life. At present condition, FAO works in over 130 countries worldwide with 194 members. Next is question number 252. Here we have to enlist or we have to tell the total number of national bureaus are. The correct option is option C, that is 6. Now, listen carefully. I will enlist all the 6 national bureaus. First one is the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, which is in New Delhi. Second is the National Bureau of Agricultural Important Microorganisms, which is in Mau, Uttar Pradesh. Third one is the National Bureau of Agricultural Insect Resources, Bengaluru. Fourth is the National Bureau of Soil Science and Land Use Planning, which is in Nagpur, Maharashtra. Fifth one is the National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources, Karnal. And the last is the National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, which is in Lucknow. Next, question number 253. So, the question is, pellagra, it is due to the deficiency of. The correct answer is option A. It is due to the deficiency of B3, that is the niacin. So, pellagra is a disease which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B3 and it happens when the people eat a diet which is based heavily on untreated corn because the corn locks its niacin content in a bounded form that the human being cannot digest. Let's move towards next question. Next question is the Central Institute for Arid Horticulture, it is located at. The answer is option C, it is located at Bikaner. So the Central Institute for Arid Horticulture, it is located at Bikaner. Next, 255th question. Here we have to tell the PF scale for field capacity. The PF scale for field capacity, it is 2.5. So the PF measures the energy or the suction which is required by the plant to extract the water from the soil. Next, 256. So, honeycomb-like structure, it is a diagnostic feature of. And the answer is option B, it is the diagnostic feature of lateritic soil. Option number B, it is the correct answer. Let's move towards next question. Question is 257. The Indian soils, they are deficient in which of the following nutrient? The answer is option A, they are deficient in nitrogen. Next question, 258. So the concept of soil as a natural body, it was first developed by. Here the answer goes to option number D, that is V.V. Dokchev is the correct answer. And he is considered as the founder of modern soil science. He has developed the concept of soil as a natural body with its own genesis and profile, influenced by climate, organism, relief, parent material, and time. Next, 259 question. The question is the wheat which is used to prepare macaroni. Okay, we have to name the wheat which is used to prepare the macaroni. It is termed as. The correct answer is option C. It is Triticum durum. Triticum aestivum, it is our Mexican dwarf wheat. This is B, that is Triticum dicocum. It is our emmer wheat. Okay, this is Mexican dwarf wheat and this is the emmer wheat. This wheat, it is used to prepare macaroni. Next, 260. Here we have to identify the soil order which is having the self-mulched soil. Okay, we have to identify the soil order. And the answer is option B, that is vertisols. So, this heavy clay soil, which is commonly known as black cotton soil or cracking clay, they undergoes natural mixing through the continuous shrinking and swelling cycle. Next question is 261. The question is, the transportation of soil particles is highest in which stage of wind erosion? See here option number first, C and D. Saltation, suspension and surface creep. This all are the types of wind erosion, and here we have to answer the transportation of soil particles. It is highest in which stage of wind erosion, and the answer is saltation. In this stage of wind erosion, we are having the transportation of soil particles as highest. Next, 262. So see, here the concept is farmers first. This is the concept, and this concept was given by. And the answer is option number D, that is Robert Chamber. In this concept, see this F, it stands for farm, I, it stands for innovation, R, it stands for resource, S, it stands for science, and T goes to technology. So this farmers first, it is the approach that places the farmer at the center of agricultural research, decision making and technology development, moving them from the passive beneficiaries to the active partners. Let's move towards next question number 263. The question is, how much quantity of true potato seed it is required for 1 hectare planting? And here the answer is option A, that is 100 gram. So 100 gram of true potato seed it is required for 1 hectare planting. Next question 264. The question is, which one of the following it is the hybrid variety of maize? The answer is option D, that is Sangam. So Sangam, it is a recognized hybrid variety of maize which is bred for high agricultural productivity, robust the plant vigor and the reliable grain for the fodder yield. 265th question. Here we have to tell the test weight of sorghum. Test weight, that is the weight of 1000 seeds of sorghum, and the answer is 25 to 30 gram. It is the test weight of sorghum. Next 266th question. So the question is CSH1. It was the first sorghum hybrid and it was released in which year? The answer is 1964. So the coordinated sorghum hybrid, this CSH, that is the coordinated sorghum hybrid 1, it was released in the year 1964 and it was India's and world first commercially cultivated grain sorghum hybrid, and it was developed as a part of All India Coordinated Research Project on Sorghum, and this landmark release jump started the green revolution for rainfed agriculture in India. Next question 267. The question is HB1. It is the hybrid of Bajra which was released in the year 1965 and it was evolved from a cross of. The answer is TIF23A into BIL3B. So this hybrid HB1 hybrid of Bajra, it was evolved from TIF23A into BIL3B. Next 268 question. So black gram, we all know that is the botanical name, it is Vigna mungu, having the chromosome number of 2n is equal to 22. It is originated in. The answer is option A, it is originated from India. Let's move towards next question. So the question is the percent protein in linseed. Okay, we have to mention the percent protein in linseed is. The correct answer is option A, that is 36% of protein it is present in linseed. Next 270. So the question is the Carthamus tictoris, it is the botanical name of. The correct answer is option B, that is it is the scientific name of safflower. Next 271. The question is the dropsy disease. dropsy disease in human being, it is caused by which weed? The answer is Argemona mexicana. Because of this weed, the dropsy disease in human being is caused. Next, question number 272. So the yellow vein mosaic of Abemoscus esculentus, that is okra, it is spread by. The answer is option A. It is spread by Bemisia tabaci, which is the white fly. Next question is 273. The suicidal germination, it takes place in. The answer is option B. It takes place in striga. So suicidal germination takes place in striga. Now we will move towards next question, that is 274. The question is, the Cooperative Credit Societies Act, it was passed in which year? The correct answer is 1904. So in this year, the Cooperative Credit Society Act, it was passed. Next question is 275. The question is, this Annals of Agriculture, it is a book. It was written by whom? The answer is option B. This book, it was written by Arthur Young. 276 question. So the chemical formula for pyrite reclamant is, the answer is FeS2. The option number D, it is the correct answer. 277 is, the sulfur content in ammonium sulfate is, the answer is 24%. It is the sulfur content in ammonium sulfate. Next is 278. Who is regarded as the father of pink revolution? The answer is option number B, that is Durgesh Patel. Option B, it is the correct answer. And in further video, we will discuss the father of each revolution which are important. In this video, keep in mind that father of pink revolution is Durgesh Patel, and further we will discuss more about this topic in next video. Next is 279, the frackling disease. It is seen in sugarcane. It is due to the deficiency of, or it is due to which nutrient? The answer is silicon. It is due to the silicon. So this silicon, it is a beneficial element in sugarcane and it contributes to the structural strength and the stress tolerance. Next is 280. The question is Vasantrao Naik Award. It is for the best research in. And here the answer is dryland farming. So the Vasantrao Naik, it is closely associated with the agricultural development in India, and this award, it is given for dryland farming. Next question, that is 281. So the question is Gulkand. It is a mixture of. We all know that it is a mixture of rose petal and sugars. So correct answer is option B, rose petals and sugar. Let's move towards next question, that is the 282. The question is the Irish famine. It is occurred in the year and we have to name the crop also. The answer is option number A, 1845, and the crop associated with it is the potato. So the Great Irish Famine, it began in the year 1845 after several potato crop failures associated with late blight, and potato, it was a staple crop, so repeated failures has caused the catastrophic food shortages. Next is the 283 question. So Bengal famine, it occurred on. The correct answer is option C, 1943, and it is associated with the rice. 284th question. The question is weight of 100 seeds. It is known as. The answer is option C here. Seed index will be the correct answer. Option D. And the weight of 1000 seed, it is the test weight. 289. So the question is blind cultivation, it is practiced in. Here the answer will be option C, that is both sugarcane and potato. So the blind cultivation, it refers to the cultivation which is performed before the crop emergence or when the crop is not yet visible above the soil. Primarily it is done for the weed control. Next is question number 286. The question is the headquarters of AICRP, that is the All India Coordinated Research Project on Pearl Millet, it is located at? The answer is Jodhpur. This AICRP on Pearl Millet, it is located in Jodhpur. Next question is, what is the optimum seed rate which is required per hectare in the drilling method of rice? And here the answer is 60 kg per hectare. Option C, it is the correct answer. So this is the optimum seed rate which is required per hectare in the drilling method of rice. 288 question. So here we have to name the chemical which is used to kill mites. Okay, and the answer is acaricide. This is the chemical which is used to kill the mites. Next, 289. The question is the tetrazolium test. It is used to determine. The answer is seed viability. It is used to determine the seed viability. Okay, so C, it is the correct answer. So tetrazolium testing, it uses a biochemical reaction in the living seed tissues, and the viable tissues, they reduce the tetrazolium to a colored compound, allowing the rapid assessment of the seed viability. 290 question is, so here we have to tell the optimum seed rate of soybean. The correct answer is 70 to 80 kg per hectare. It is the optimum seed rate of soybean. Next is the optimum seed rate for sunflower, and the answer is 8 to 10 kg per hectare. It is the optimum seed rate for sunflower. Once again, we will revise the optimum seed rate for soybean. It was 70 to 80 kg per hectare, and for sunflower, it is 8 to 10 kg per hectare. Next question is 292. Here we have to tell the optimum seed rate which is required per hectare for hybrid wheat. And here the answer will be option C, that is 67 kg per hectare. It is the optimum seed rate required per hectare of hybrid wheat, 67 kg per hectare. Next question is, the major part of nitrogen uptake by the maize is over by which stage? The answer is tasseling stage. Option A, it is the correct answer. By this tasseling stage, the nitrogen uptake by maize, it is over, the major part. Okay. 294th question is, the buckwheat, it belongs to which family? It belongs to the family of Polygonaceae. Option C, it is the correct answer. Next, 295. So the land use for class 8 land, it is restricted to. The answer is option C, that is recreation and wildlife. It is for recreation. Okay, so the land use for class 8 land, it is restricted for the recreation and wildlife. Let's move towards the next question. Next question is 296. The question is, the Olsen method, it is used to determine available what? The answer will be, it is used to determine the phosphorus. Option number A, it is the correct answer. And the Olsen's sodium bicarbonate extraction method, it is widely used for estimating the plant available phosphorus, particularly in neutral to alkaline or calcareous soil. Next question 297. Here we have to tell the chromosome number of potato. So the chromosome number of potato is 2n is equal to 48. Option B, it is the correct answer. Next question is 294. That is the Pusa Mangal. It is a variety of, and Pusa Mangal, it is a variety of wheat crop. Okay. Next is the Punjab Chohara. Punjab Chuhara, it is the variety of. The answer is option C. It belongs to the variety of tomato. So this is a tomato variety which is known for its elongated fruit type and it is suitability for processing. Therefore, here we can say that the tomato is the correct answer. And here we are with the last question of this video. So the question is, ICR's Central Island Agricultural Research Institute, it is located at. The correct answer here will be Port Blair, and today this Port Blair city, it is named as Sri Vijayapuram. So this was the end of our video. and I hope you have gained knowledge from this video. For more such videos, stay connected with the YouTube channel of Agri Exam. Thank you.